Hello there guys, welcome to the e-bike repairs YouTube channel. Excuse my voice, I have hay fever and I can't breathe out of my nose, so that's fun. There'll be lots of snivelling, I'm sure. Right, I've got in this, which is very heavy. It's a Lexmoto Cypher battery, which is I think it's a 50cc equivalent electric moped. Pretty cool. It's being brought in by one of my it's one of my friends, actually, I suppose. Oh, look, it's a little vent. That's cool. Who's bought it. It's been ragged. And he just wants a general sort of health check on the battery. So test, balance, and just, make sure there's no, insulation rubbing off inside, that kind of thing. Which is always good to do when you buy a used thing. Especially one with a bloody great battery like this. I think it's 72 volt, 25 amp hours or something like that. We don't really know. Got a little charge indicator jobby there, which is pretty cool. Anderson connector here for the discharge. That's its charge port there. I don't know what it's called, but I've seen it before on things. Pretty cool. Yeah. To open it, you've got Phillips head screws all around the side of it, which look like that. Loads of the buggers. So I thought, let's open it up together and have a look. These are what the screws look like. They're very stubby little things. Maybe M4, M3, something like that. There, so I don't lose them. It's been opened before because the warranty sticker's got a screw through it. What will we find? Yes. I have here the world's largest hammer. Freedom! Oh! I see. Blimey. There's a lot going on in there, isn't there? Whoa. It's pouch cells. It's not 18650s. These are the boards that live along the top of the pouches. Little temp centre there. And that you can see these little strike things, the flappy bits, they're the edges of the pouch. It looks as though the whole thing's been potted in epoxy. Wow. Alright. Fair enough. Hopefully we've got balance leads. That looks like a big red wire. That looks like a big black wire. These, hopefully, are our balance leads. So that's pretty cool. There's a huge, great circuit board in there. Nice. That's pretty cool. There's one. There's two. I'd imagine that'll be the main neg, and that'll be the main pos, and that will be the main neg. But we'll find out in a second, I suppose. Should be 20S. I hope. Otherwise I've been seriously misled. I might have to just take this out of camera range, or even better, I could move the camera and we could all see then, couldn't we? Let's do that. Let's just put you like that. Oh, we can put you like that. Let's have a look, see, shall we? Well, they're backwards. So that's a neg there, and a pos there. That's a neg and a pos there. Oh, but which way around does it go? You'd assume this is for this side and this is for this side, wouldn't you? Well, you may be about to watch something very bad happen to my fingers. Might as well catch it on video. It didn't like something. I'm not sure now. I'll figure this out and I'll come back. Okay, I figured it out. This is, of course, the negative side, because look where the big black wire is, over there. Therefore, that balance wire there, the black one, is the most negative, which needs to be on that side of the board, the negative side of the board. And this is the positive side of the board. So I was dumb and I was trying to do things wrong. Anyway, that's not wrong anymore. So what we can do is have a little look at the main screen. We've got a beautifully balanced battery, look. 0.01 volts out. Which is great. That's, you know, it doesn't need balancing really. It's going to get it, but it doesn't need it. Looks like a nice, healthy battery, which is great. We'll just balance it anyway, because I'm here. Fully charge it, capacity test it, and yeah, I'm pretty pleased. Looks good. I think that's about all there is to say on this one. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, Lexmoto Cypher battery. You can't do a lot with it because it's full of epoxy. Bye bye. Okay, a slight follow-up to that last part of the video. I put the battery back together, put it on charge. He wouldn't charge. Was a little concerned because I don't want to have to buy the chap a new one of these. What I ended up doing, you've got to pull the BMS out, which sits in a slot down there, 2 screws, then the BMS pulls up, you've got to undo all the cable ties and everything. Anyway, I did lots of things. What worked was disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Obviously don't touch it to anything, that would be bad. Disconnecting the balance leads and the balance leads, because obviously it doesn't like that happening. Quite clearly, having the leads disconnected, it gets very upset. So then I left it for a while for the board to completely down power and stop. There is a little battery button cell on there, but I guess that's just for EEPROM or memory or something. I reconnected the battery negative, then I reconnected this balance lead, then I reconnected this balance lead, and then I pressed, there's a little switch just there, little button on the BMS, I pressed that, and now it is taking a charge. The battery voltage is steadily climbing at 78.37. If I hold that on there for a moment, there you go, 78.38. It is taking a charge. The battery indicator here is showing that it's charging. The little red LED on the PCB is on. So that should solve it. Now, when I go to put this back in, I'm going to have to disconnect the balance leads because they're not long enough, and the same problem will happen. I'll have to find a way to do this somehow with it in there. There's not much room. I don't know quite how I'm going to manage that, but at least it's on and it charges and I know what needs to be done. Wish me luck. If you do this yourself, use a multimeter and check the balances along here. Don't disconnect them. Pain in the arse. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.